Miss Avery? Oh, let's go see where Dahlia's at. Where every day?
Every day is the episode.
What?
I'm doing play in my room. I can play my Cookie Monster.
No, not yet. Are you done playing your leap pad? No. Are you done with your leap pad? No? Alright, well, Grandma's got to go back up there with Avery. Okay? If you want me to play, you got to come up here with me. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Alright, make sure you turn the lights out. Avery! She rolled over. Easy. Mia. Go. Easy.
Bad girl.
She's afraid of the fireworks because the people next door are doing fireworks.
She's afraid of fireworks.
Yep. Avery. Avery.
My name. That's my name.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
My name.
Do you like your hair? Yeah. Does it feel better? Oh. Fireworks. Is that Avery? Is that Avery? And the doggy? Say bye.
Bye.
See ya.